Gold and silver are on fire. With gold hitting record highs and silver surging, investors are flocking to precious metals. But is this just the beginning of a massive bull run, or are we headed for a correction? In this video, we'll break down the latest trends, analyze demand spikes, and get insider insights from a local coin shop owner. Stick around to find out what's driving this rally and how you can make the most of it. Welcome to Profit Powerhouse, your go-to source for smart investing. 1. Gold and silver demand surge. Gold and silver are seeing a massive spike in demand. According to a recent report from the Perth Mint, gold sales jumped significantly in February, while silver sales rose by 16%. This surge is driven by strong demand and rising spot prices. As of today, gold is sitting at a record high per ounce, and silver is pushing $30 per ounce. This isn't just about physical demand, spot prices are also climbing. Gold is approaching $3,000 for the first time ever, and silver is inching closer to $35. So, what's behind this rally? Let's dive deeper. 2. Local coin shop insights. To get a better understanding of what's happening on the ground, we spoke with Josh from My Night Coin and Bullion. Josh confirmed that his shop has seen a significant increase in gold purchases over the past 6 weeks. He explained that just a few months ago, shops were flooded with people selling gold. But now, the trend has flipped, buyers are back, and demand is soaring. Interestingly, this shift isn't tied to a major change in spot prices, it's more about market sentiment and external factors, like the potential audit of Fort Knox and economic uncertainty. 3. Why are people buying gold and silver? So, what's driving this renewed interest in precious metals? According to Josh, it's a mix of factors: economic concerns, with talks of a possible recession and a volatile stock market. Many investors are turning to gold and silver as a safe haven. Fort Knox audit. The possibility of an audit has sparked conversations about the reliability of gold reserves, making physical gold more appealing. Crypto volatility. Some investors are pulling money out of cryptocurrencies and redirecting it into precious metals. Josh also noted that while gold is getting most of the attention, silver is seeing steady demand as well. 4. Risks and realities of investing in precious metals. While gold and silver are often seen as safe investments, they're not without risks. Josh pointed out that markets are cyclical, and prices can fluctuate. For example, silver hit nearly $50 per ounce in 2011, but hasn't come close to that level since. He also emphasized that gold and silver don't always move in sync. While gold has seen consistent gains, silver has more potential for explosive growth due to its industrial uses and lower price point. 5. What should you buy? If you're thinking about investing in gold or silver, Josh shared some practical advice. Gold. For a $3,000 budget, he recommends buying a 1-ounce gold bar from a reputable brand. This offers the lowest premium and the most gold for your money. Silver. For the same budget, he suggests sticking to lower premium options like 1-ounce silver rounds, 10-ounce bars, or pre-1965 US silver coins. Avoid collectibles or high-premium items if your goal is to maximize your investment. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Profit Powerhouse for more insights on investing, market trends, and smart financial strategies. Let us know in the comments, are you buying gold, silver, or both? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.